Hello and welcome to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I am Nazia, your host for today, and I am here to bring you the latest insights into the world of technology. Today, we are exploring a true marvel of modern computing, HoloWare's all-in-one PCs with i7 processors. These machines are not just PCs, they are a harmonious blend of power, elegance, and simplicity that's redefining the way we work and create. So let's get started. In the tech world, revolutions often happen quietly. The rise of all-in-one PCs equipped with Intel Core i7 processors is a perfect example. These systems are reshaping our workspaces, streamlining our setups, and pushing the boundaries of performance, all within a sleek, compact design. Let's compare it to the human body, a masterpiece of integration. Just as every organ has its role in keeping us alive and active, HoloWare's all-in-one PCs bring together every essential component into a single, elegant frame. The Intel Core i7 processor serves as the brain, delivering lightning-fast speeds with its 12 cores and 20 threads. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or managing demanding business applications, this processor ensures peak performance. Meanwhile, the high-resolution display acts as the eyes, rendering every detail with stunning precision. This makes it ideal for professionals like designers, gamers, and content creators. Beneath the surface lies an advanced circuitry system that functions like the nervous system, ensuring seamless communication between components for efficiency. Finally, the sleek, minimalistic design represents the skeleton, combining durability with sophistication. HoloWare takes this integration to new heights. These all-in-one PCs are compact yet impactful. With a sleek, space-saving design, they free up disk space without compromising on performance. Powered by up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and 2 TB of NVMe SSD storage, alongside the latest Intel Core processors, they are built to handle everything from everyday activities to heavy-duty workloads. The visuals are equally impressive, with up to a 27-inch Full HD IPS screen offering 100% sRGB coverage for vivid, lifelike colors. Connectivity is seamless, thanks to Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and an array of ports for every possible need. Beyond the technical specs, thoughtful features like built-in stereo speakers, an optional pop-up camera, and even an optional 50-watt-hour battery for mobility elevate the user experience to another level. The beauty of these all-in-one PCs lies in their ability to combine power and simplicity. They are compact yet powerful, minimalist in form yet maximalist in function. They redefine workspaces, transforming them into organized, distraction-free zones. Picture a creative studio where tools are neatly arranged, ready to inspire. HoloWare's all-in-one PCs are like that. Platforms for productivity and creativity, never obstacles. With their understated white plastic chassis, they blend seamlessly into any environment while quietly delivering incredible performance. This design philosophy isn't just about aesthetics, it reflects a deeper shift in how we interact with technology. As these machines become more streamlined, they enable us to become more focused and efficient. HoloWare is not just keeping pace with its evolution, it's leading the charge. With features like DTPM security, a 3-year on-site warranty, and bundled software options like Windows 11 Pro and Office 2021, these systems are designed with the future in mind. They embrace the latest innovations, ensuring compatibility and trustworthiness. At HoloWare, we believe the most profound changes in technology happens not with loud fanfare, but with quiet, meaningful advancements. Our all-in-one PCs are a testament to this vision. They are more than machines. They are tools for shaping a smarter, more efficient world. Whether you are an artist, a business professional, or a tech enthusiast, these PCs promise to redefine what you thought was possible in computing. Thank you for joining us on the HoloWare Tech Podcast. For more details, visit holoware.co or reach out to us at marketing@holoware.co. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes where we uncover the latest in technology and innovation. And until next time, this is Nazia signing off. Keep exploring, stay inspired, and let technology empower your journey. Goodbye for now. Take care.